In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make charts on Monday.com. We're going to walk through the process step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your raw board data into a clear, visual chart that's easy to understand and share with your team. Start by opening the board where your data already lives. This might be a project tracker, a sales pipeline, a task list, or anything else you're managing in Monday.com. At the very top of your board, you'll see a row of views, like Main Table, Kanban, or others you may have added. Look for the plus icon, usually labeled as Add View. Go ahead and click that. This is how you tell Monday.com that you want a new way to look at the information that's already in your board. When the drop-down menu appears, you'll see a list of different view types. From that list, choose Chart. This creates a new chart view based on the same data in your board, but nothing is finalized yet. At this point, Monday.com is basically asking, how would you like this chart to look? And that's what we'll customize next. On the right side of the chart view, you'll see a settings icon that looks like a small gear. Click that gear to open the chart settings panel. This is where you control almost everything about your chart. What kind of chart you're using, which columns the chart is reading from, and how your data is grouped or measured. First, choose your chart type. You'll typically see options like pie chart, bar chart, line chart, and possibly more depending on your plan and setup. A bar chart works well for comparing categories, a pie chart is good for showing proportions, and a line chart is great for tracking changes over time. Think about what story you want your data to tell, and then pick the chart type that best matches that story. Next, you'll define the x-axis and y-axis. The x-axis usually represents categories or time, like status, owner, or date. The y-axis usually represents a count or a number, such as the number of items, hours, or amounts. Use the drop-downs to select the appropriate columns from your board. If your chart doesn't look right at first, try switching which column is on which axis until the visualization matches what you expect. Once you're happy with the chart type and the axis selections, click Done. Your chart view is now ready, and you can switch back to it anytime from the top of your board to quickly analyze your data visually.